Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, chapter 15, and now we are on topic multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, so these things are very essential because these are considered very small things, but these are very important things. Okay, so let's not waste time and let's start multiplication of decimal numbers. Now the basic of it is, if any number is multiplied, any decimal number is multiplied by either 10, 100 or 1000, what happens is the decimal point shift to right side. Decimal point shift to right side depends on how many numbers of zeros are there. Okay, so I've taken here example. See, same number I have kept, decimal number, and I have multiplied it by 10, 100 and 1000 to show the difference. Okay, so 2.425 multiplied by 10. I told you when you multiply by 10, 100 or 1000, point will shift to right. When you multiply, point shifts to right. So how you will remember? MR. Multiply, point will shift to right side. So I used to remember this way, MR. Okay, so point shift to right side by the number of digits. For example, if here there are there is 1 0, so point will shift to 1 digit. See this, I have shifted by 1 digit, so 24.25. Now by 100, so point is here, 2 zeros, point shift to right side, 1 2, so 242.5, 242.5. Here this point will not be there. Once it is shifted, this will not be here. Okay, so 242.5 because 2 zeros. Now 3 zeros, point will shift to right side by 3 digits, 1 2 3, so 2425.0, or I have written directly 2425. You can also write this is also correct. Okay, moral of the story is, when you multiply by 10, 100 and 1000, point shifts to right side by the number of digits, the number of zeros present. Okay, now let's see here another example. Now here also multiply by 10, point is here, so it will be 0.123. Here point is here, multiplied by 100, 1 2, so 1.23. 1000, point is here, so 3 digits, 1 2 3, so 12.3. Okay, so I hope you understood multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. So when you multiply a given number by 10, 100 or 1000, decimal point shifts to right by as many number of zeros. Okay, remember this thing. Now we'll see in case of division what is there. So for division, DL, you have to understand DL. DL means for division, point will shift to left side. Point will shift to left side. MR and DL. MR means multiplication, point shifts to right side. Division means point shift to left side in the same way depending on the number of 0. So now 125.7 divided by 10, number of 0 1. So I have told here left, so point will shift here, so 12.57. Some last year students used to write 12.5.7. This point, once this point is only shifting, so here nothing will be there, so it will be 57 only. Okay, let's see this example. Point 125.7, same, divided by 100, so point shift to left side, 1 2, so where should be the point? Point should be after 1, so 1.257, 1.257. so here also if you will see 425.13 divided by 1000, so point will shift to left side depending upon the number of zeros, so 1 2 3, so here 0.42513, 0.42513, or I have written 0.42513 to avoid confusion. Now this is little crucial. So 0.00346 divided by 1000. You know this is division, so point will shift to left side. So my point is here, I have to shift by 3 digits. So 1, 2 and 3. You will see there are no digits to shift. So that time what you will do, you will add those digits. I have written this specially with red colors to understand that you have to shift to left side. 1, 2, 3. There will be no change in the rule if digits are not available. You have to put zeros there. So 1, 2, 3. So 0. So point came here. So 0.0000346. 0.000. Now these two we have added. Okay. This was already there. These two we have added. This was already there. So 1, 2, 3. Means you have to add that many number of zeros required. So final answer will be this. Okay. So now you understood, for when we multiply by 10, 100,000, point shifts to right. When we divide by 10, 100,000, point shifts to left. Okay. So let's see examples from 15C. Now how to multiply when one number is, see, this is decimal number and this is whole number. Whole number means counting numbers. Okay. So you multiply as usual. What you have studied for 3rd, 4th and 5th standard, multiply the way you multiply. There is no change in the multiply. Only story is different to when you put point. Okay. 6 8s are 48, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 4, 44. So multiplication method is same what you're doing for counting numbers, means whole numbers, but putting decimal point is to be studied here. Okay, we have studied this last year also, but this year we are studying in more detail. So you can see after point how many digit? After point in this case, after point 1 digit. Okay, and here there is no point and after point digit. So 0. So 1 plus 0, 1 means after point 1, 1 plus here nothing means 1. So point will shift to left side. Point will shift to left side though. Point you have to count from here. 1, so shift 1. Shift by 1. If here total suppose 3 comes, you have to shift by 3 digits. Okay, to left. So 144.8. You will understand here, children. Okay, here let us check this. See, decimal number multiplied by whole number. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, carry 1 and 2 0s are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, then this 0, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, carry 1, 25, 2 carry, 6 9s are 54, 56, 6 plus, okay, then add 6 plus 0, 6, 8 plus 8, 16, carry 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, carry 1, 6, 7, 8 and 5. Alright. Now, this is the normal multiplication. Now, how to put comma? So, here you after point how many digits? 3. Here nothing. After point 3 digits, so 3. So, shift from here, count 3 digits from towards left. 1, 2, 3. So, point will come there. Okay. Means you have to shift from right to left. Now this is very important. See, multiplication of two decimal numbers. So in this case nothing you have to do is multiply the way you multiply normal whole numbers. Once you get the final answer, you can see the final answer here. My answer was 058478. Now how I have to put? See. Okay, I'll explain that also. 7 4s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2, 37, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 7 8s are 56, 57, 58. Okay, then this 0 we are putting. So 0 4s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 8s are 0. Then this 0 we are putting, in 2 zeros we put, you know this, last year we had studied. 0 4s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 8s are 0. Then add all these things, you will get 0.5848. Now main thing is how to put decimal. So what you will do is, after point how many digits? 2. After point how many digits? 2. So 1 2 3 4. See, 1 2 3 4. After point 2 digits, after point 2 digits. 2 plus 2 4. So from here I will skip 4 numbers. 1 2 3 4. I'll reach here. 1 2 3 4 point. So 5.8478. Similarly here also you can see After multiply 75 by 25, answer you will get 1875. Then after point 1 digit, 1 plus 1, 2. So skip 2 numbers, 1, 2 here. Okay. I hope you have understood, and I'll show you homework, multiplication homework. So see it clearly. This is the homework. And you can see Miss has given 3 digits. So in 3 digits, what you will do, multiply first 2 digits. Whatever answer comes, multiply by third one and then apply points. First you can multiply whole numbers like 1, 2, 3. You multiply whole like whole numbers 0.2 and then you will get, and whatever answer you get, 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digits you can shift from right to left. See, I have done it here. You can go through it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here. And same number I have taken here and multiplied with this. First I have multiplied these two. I have got this. And then this I have multiplied with this. And finally, after point 4 digit, after point 1 digit, 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point I have applied here. Thing is, without point also you can multiply. First multiply without points, same way as they are given, and finally you can just 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Means after 4 digits from right to left, you can skip 4 digits and you can apply. So that also method you can do it. Okay, so final answer is this. Your homework is given. Please do it. Multiply these two first and then multiply the product with this. Here also same thing, here also same thing. This is 0.1. Okay. So I hope you understand, and please solve it and try to submit homework as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you so much.